So I was out here earlier this morning doing some interval jogging. It started to kind of lightning and thunder were around, so that was interesting. But I survived. And so I had a really busy day, all that. But then all of a sudden I look outside and it's blue sky and bird song. And I'm like, well, gotta get back out. Just feeling absolutely magical out here. This is a very important tree ecologically, the swamp oak. It's pretty even after season before the new growth. You might look at this and it looks kind of barren, muddy. The water has the tannins, which actually is very good, beneficial, like a little compost tea. But come back here in a couple weeks, this is going to be exploding with color and life and even more creatures. And even though some days I don't get a chance to travel far, there is always beauty to be found. I was sitting there glancing up at the trees and I'm like, whoa, that's the moon right there. So bright, magical, just waiting for me to notice it. Look at how cool it looks in the water too. And then I turn around and I see this. Wishing you many moments of unexpected delight tonight.